TRX Hinge, single arm, level 5. Levels 4 and 5 are advanced moves and should only be attempted after mastering levels 1, 2, and 3. Begin level 5 the same way as level 4. Stand behind the anchor point, suspension training fully lengthened. Roll out into the single arm plank. Lower down into your clock press. Come back up, hold the plank, and add a rotation, reaching the free hand up towards the ceiling. Return to the single arm plank and hinge back. Reset, re-engage, rest as long as needed between reps. Slow, controlled movements out, mastering each step with control. Shoulder girdle stays packed, core stays engaged the entire time. Rest as much as needed between each repetition. Focus on slow, controlled movement. Hold the rotation for a brief moment, return to the plank, and finish with the hinge.